Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chetan Satish back again with another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to tell you guys about a 1140cc Royal Enfield bike, which very few people know about it. And most of us don't even know that the 1140cc bike had existed in Royal Enfield. So I'll not waste much time here. Let's move straight to our video. But before that, do show some love in forms of likes, shares and comments. And do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. So now without wasting much time, let's start. So first I'm going to explain you guys about the features of the bike, and then I'm going to tell you why and when the production of this motorcycle was stopped, and at last I'm going to give you guys a very good news, so please watch this video till the end. So can you people even imagine that there was a Royal Enfield machine with a mighty badass 1140cc engine with it? I really get goosebumps thinking about it, man. But most of us don't even know that a bike like that existed, that too way back in the 1936 itself. And the 1930s is considered as the golden era to the Royal Enfield, and this bike is also from that era itself. So this is the Royal Enfield KX1140, and this is the biggest engine that Royal Enfield could ever have possessed. So this engine is a 1140cc V-twin L-head engine with a 4-speed transmission. And this one was one of the 18 models which the Royal Enfield used to sell at the time of 1938. And this beast's engine had got a manual gearbox and also a suicide shifter, and the word suicide was used because of the clutch, and the clutch had to be operated by the foot of the rider and the gear shifting was by the hands, so this was little troublesome. And this model KX was an improved version of an already ideal machine called as the Model K, which had a slightly smaller engine capacity of 996cc. And in addition to that, the 1140cc KX had a set of interchangeable tires, and it had a very impressive top speed of 130 km per hour, that too back then in the 1930s itself, and that's really cool. And it also said that the mileage was somewhere around 27 km per liter despite being a heavy capacity motorcycle. That's really insane, man. At the beginning, the KX was only being exported, but then the company started the sales in its home country, England. And the production of the KX was stopped at the beginning of the World War II because the company switched to the military contracts to manufacture only 350cc models, and one last KX was also manufactured and it was sold to a military personnel. And the good news is that in 2018, the Royal Enfield had unleashed the KX838 concept in front of us, and that concept is based on the KX1140 itself. So if you guys are eager, at the same time regretting for not witnessing such a great motorcycle, then we have this good news of where the Royal Enfield may launch a 838cc machine in coming years. And trust me guys, that would be a game changer in our country, and surely I'll have one of them if the Royal Enfield release the KX838 bikes in our country. And that's it guys, thanks for watching the video till the end, and hope you all like the video. If yes, do show some love in forms of likes, shares and comments, and do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Until the next time, bye bye, see you, take care.